Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you the simple but elegant way of making a Mother's Day card using the foiling technique. The first step you want to use is shapes, square, and I'm going to just use the same size as my paper. You need to hit the unlock button, and I'm going to do 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to just make the color a little lighter so you can see. The next text, I'm going to use the font Bacon Buffet Demo and say I couldn't have picked a better mom. Okay, then I'm going to align this and say center. I'm going to slide this down. Okay, and so right now this is on Operation Basic Cut. So all you do for foiling is you go down here to foil, and I'm going to use medium and resize this a little bit. And now upload. And I am going to use a dragonfly mandala here and insert that image. You can use any image you would like. Mandalas tend to use a lot more of the foiling, so you get a lot more out of your foil, because once you use it, it's very difficult to use it again, because you can, once the area behind it has been used, you're not going to get any more foiling. So pretty much you're stuck with throwing it away. Okay, so then you go back up here once you've inserted the image that you want and go again to foil, and you can see that it has changed slightly and now it's outlined. Okay, and so you also need to know what size your foiling sheets are. Most are 4 by 6. So what I'm going to do is slide my rectangle out of the way and highlight both of these. And you can see it's just over 6, so I'm just going to unlock this and resize slightly just to make sure that I don't go over. Okay, and now I'm going to slide this back, and then I'm just going to reposition these one more time. Again, making sure you stay within that size. And now I'm going to highlight everything, and I'm going to hit attach. It's very important to attach everything to make sure that when you go to make this, that it does not try to put the words out of place. And then you're ready to make it. And as you can see over here, you have the images that is the medium foil, and then the basic cut, which means it's going to cut the card out afterwards. And then you're ready to make it.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.